Hi, I'm James from valwyattmarine. Today I'm going to show you around this RLM Bahama 31 that's just on the hard standing behind me. I'll start off with a quick hull walk around as we have the opportunity with the boat up on the hard standing. There's a couple of little scuffs on the bow there, nothing significant, and evidence of a previous repair there. Bearing in mind that the boat is 50 years old, she's overall looking in very good order. We'll possibly say that those rubbing strakes on the side there need revarnishing, and we've mentioned that in the listing. Coming round to the transom, sorry, you have got a lot of fenders stored there, but you can see the outdrives on the boat. Again, a little bit of varnish work needed up there. She would benefit from a re-anti-valve as well, which I'm sure you can clearly see. But overall, for a boat of this age, she's looking really good. So just standing up on the port side before I take you inside the boat, just a view over the wheelhouse roof, which is wooden on this boat and would probably benefit from a repaint. Similarly, the wheelhouse window frames in varnish, need revarnishing as they're wooden. Going forward, handrails on the top there probably need revarnishing, but overall a tidy deck. I'll just walk you forward and show you you've got the forward escape hatch there, and then we're going to spin round and I'll just give you a view forward and going round to the aft. So just before I take you inside, I wanted to show you that she has had new canopies fitted. They're very recent, you can see they're in really good order. It's a nice navy blue contrasting with the rest of the boat. So I've now stepped down into the cockpit of this boat, and as you'll see, it's very much a period feel, and it really has got a lot of character with the woodwork and all the old gauges. I'm going to swing you round. Just in terms of practicality, you've got swivelling and height adjustable seats for the helmsman and navigator over on the starboard side, and then we're just going to come round and you've got that nice big, which is quite a deep bench there, and the backrest for that is removable. I'll just pull that cushion forward, take that away, and then that wooden support also comes out, and then you've got an occasional double berth or sunbed up here in the cockpit as well. Just around this rear bench seat, you've got a couple of useful little storage places going around there to just put stuff away, and then underneath the access to the engine, those three cushions come off. There's three panels that come out, and you've got the engines for the boat, which I'll show you towards the end of the video. Now I'll take you down below into the cabin. We'll start off up in the bow, where you've got, as you can see, you've got a V berth there, these distinctive little portholes, which will tell you if you see another boat on the water that this one is an RLM fit out rather than any of the others. As I mentioned, there's an escape hatch there. Coming aft of that, I'll swing you round, starboard side, you've got a nice bench seat there, but it's also a single berth. Coming around from there, you've got the galley, storage drawers, freestanding oven, grill, 2-burner hob, and your sink over there. On the port side, you've got your dinette, which drops down to create another double, and there's storage underneath that. You've got 2 drawers. After that, you've got a cupboard. It's actually got your holding tank in there, little cupboard on top of that, and then after that you've got your toilet compartment, that's to a holding tank, and your shower. Just home in there to show you, that's the controller for the air dispatcher heating. It is noted in the video, but just one point I'd like to make is that the boat doesn't have a hot water system currently, she just has a cold water system. Thought we'd have a quick, more detailed look at the Helm console. Just being a period boat, it's quite interesting to see it looking quite so original. I think it's quite nice as well. You've got the RLM Marine original plaque up there, and round on the side the original starting instructions for the engines. It's quite a good place to be when you're sat underway. One thing I wanted to point out as well is not what you might expect for a boat of this age, electrics wise. Down there, it would appear that there's been quite a lot of updates and modernisation done so that the electrics are up to a higher standard than they would have been for a boat of this age. Hope you found that a useful walk around. Please do click like if you enjoyed it. I'm going to put the listing link in the description for the video, so you can click through and see the boat on our website, and you'll find all the contact details there. And if you've got any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks a lot.